Running multiple projects is a juggling act. If you do not have a clear structure, you lose track of what is happening and where. Welcome to the WMS Projects module. This is the heart of your operations. It starts with a clear bird's-eye view. You see every project, the client it belongs to, and its exact location on the map. Creating a project is simple. Because you have already set up your clients, you just link the project to them. You can add detailed descriptions and upload media files to keep all the context in one place. But the real power is the hierarchy. A project is the container for your sites. You link specific sites to the project, keeping your data organized and logical. Managing a project is one thing, but managing the specific site is where the battle is won or lost. If your team cannot find the location or the latest site plans, work stops. Welcome to the WMS Sites module. This is the operational heart of your projects. It begins with the setup. You do not just list an address. You drop a pin on the map and define a geo-fence radius. This virtual perimeter locks down your attendance, ensuring workers can only clock in when they are physically inside the boundary. Next, it works as your digital filing cabinet. Every site has its own dedicated storage for plans, permits, and safety docs. When you assign a crew or a subcontractor to the site, they instantly get access to the specific files they need to do the job. This module connects everything. Your rosters, defects, and tasks are all anchored to the site. It turns a vague project name into a specific, managed location. Handing over a project is stressful when defects are managed on paper or WhatsApp. You tell the subcontractor about a cracked tile, but days later nothing is fixed, and they claim they never got the message. That is the snag list nightmare, where accountability disappears. Enter the WMS Site Defects Management module. We replace chaos with an enforced digital workflow. Here is the power. You spot an issue, snap a photo, set the severity, and assign it instantly to an internal employee or directly to a subcontractor. It triggers an alert on their mobile app. They cannot just claim it is done, as the system forces them to upload completion images to verify the fix. You review the evidence from your desk. If it is poor quality, hit Reject for immediate rework. If it is perfect, hit Approve. With a full audit trail of every action, you have total accountability. Daily site reporting is often a mess of scribbled notes, lost photos, and guessing what the weather was like 3 days ago. If you are relying on memory or paper diaries, you have no real record of what happened on site. Welcome to the WMS Site Diary module. This is your digital source of truth for every day on the job. It starts with intelligence. When you create a diary entry, the system automatically fetches the weather data for that specific site and date. You do not even have to type it in. Capture the reality of the day instantly. Log the equipment used, record work items, and snap photos directly from your mobile camera or gallery to prove progress. We even help you plan ahead. You can create diary entries for future dates, setting up to-do lists so your crew knows exactly what is coming. And unlike paper diaries that sit in a truck, this is visible to everyone associated with the site the moment it is saved. Stop guessing. Visualize your workload and manage every project with clarity.